Insurance is a contracts that do not come under the ambit of life insurance is called general insurance. In this unit, we are going to study about the non-life insurance in details. So the procedure for the non-life insurance, what all are the advantages, how it helps the people, how we can recover the things. In the unit 4, we are going to study about the underwriter and the settlement and important factor, risk. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all to the introductory session on principle and practice of general insurance. This is for the BCom 4th semester. Moving further, let us look into the syllabus. This syllabus is designed in such a manner to make the subject even more understandable and applicable in nature. So let us look into the syllabus. Meaning of general insurance, fire insurance, non-life and underwriting and settlement, then claims process. So what is general insurance? General insurance itself is something very important factors. So when we talk about insurance, we all know the meaning of life insurance. What is life insurance process and its claim, how it happens. So we know about the life insurance, but general insurance, it has its deeper meaning. So we are going to study in detail about this general insurance under unit 1. Then fire insurance. The name only says fire insurance is all about fire insurance. Then non-life. Non-life insurance means under unit 3, we are going to study about the non-life insurance. Apart from the life, all other factors will come under non-life insurance. Then underwriting and settlement. Underwriting and settlement is a 4th unit. It's an important as well as interesting unit. And last one, claims process. Last one, claims process. So this is the syllabus for the BCom 4th semester, principle and practice of general insurance. Let us continue to understand in detail what is general insurance. Meaning of general insurance. Insurance is a contracts that do not come under the ambit of life insurance is called general insurance. So the insurance which does not come under the life insurance is considered as general insurance. So we know the life insurance, how the process of life insurance and how it will happen. But general insurance is something different from the life insurance. So it does not come under the life insurance. 1991 onwards, general insurance became more important and interesting factors. Nowadays, we want the insurance even for the small gadget or the mobile phone which we purchase. So we need insurance for a smaller gadget also. So now it plays an important role in the Indian economy. So this general insurance, this insurance after 1991 onwards, the insurance became important factors. General insurance means a contract that does not come under the life insurance. So the different forms of general insurance are fire, marine, motor, accident. Apart from the life insurance, fire insurance, motor insurance, accident, all this insurance comes under general insurance. So in the unit 1, we are going to understand what is general insurance and the evolution of general insurance and importance of general insurance. Apart from the life insurance, these are the insurance which comes under general insurance. So we are going to study in detail in the further class. Next, fire insurance. So the term fire insurance refers to a form of property insurance that covers damages and losses caused by fire. So the name only says fire insurance. So we are going to insure your property from the loss by fire or damages. This unit explains you how you can claim the insurance, fire insurance. So if your property or if anything caused by damage from the fire, so how you can claim that or how you can reimburse that losses. So this unit explains you about the fire insurance. Next, non-life insurance. Non-life insurance is a type of insurance other than life insurance. So Nowadays, not only for the human beings or the life, apart from the human beings, so many things we give priority or importance. So we need to cover, we need to ensure for that properties or things. So these are all, for example, house, car or any properties. So we give importance for those properties. So we need insurance or we need to insure that property. So apart from the life, we want insurance for such properties or such things. So this comes under non-life insurance. So apart from the life, we are going to insure for certain things. So that comes under non-life insurance. While insurance broken down into permanent and term life policies. Non-life insurance includes many types of other insurance policy. It includes many other types of insurance policy. Non-life insurance may cover people, properties and legal liability. It covers properties and legal liabilities of the people. So here those are the factors or those are the things or the property or liabilities which gives importance. So we want insurance for such things. It comes under non-life insurance. In this unit, we are going to study about the non-life insurance in details. So the procedure for the non-life insurance, what all are the advantages, how it helps the people, how we can recover the things. All this you are going to study in non-life insurance. Moving further, underwriting and settlement. So when we talk about insurance, you all know about sum assured. So in order to understand that word, you need to understand what is underwriting. So the underwriting, individual or institution takes an financial risk for free. Underwriter is maybe an individual or institution who takes risk for the fee. So here the underwriter is a person who is going to decide the value for your life or your property. He is going to decide the sum assured based on the age of the person, then living habit. Considering all these factors, he is going to decide the sum assurance. So in order to understand that sum assurance, you need to understand the word underwriters. So he is the person or the individual or institution, they will decide the sum assured that you may receive in future. So here the risk most typically involves loans. That means here the important factor is risk. Every business has risk, but here the risk is the main business. In insurance, the risk plays an important factors or risk is a main business. So here based on the risk, you need to analyze the risk. You need to calculate the risk. Based on the risk, we can assure or we can calculate the sum assured. So in order to understand underwriter, we need to analyze the risk. So in the unit 4, we are going to study about the underwriter and the settlement and important factor risk. So under unit 4, you are going to study about the risk and underwriter. So here they take the risk, individual or the institution, they take risk for the fee. So they take risk and they give sum assured, so that based on the risk they are going to calculate the sum assured. So in unit 4, we are going to study in detail about this underwriter and settlement. Last unit, claims process. Claim processing refers to the insurance company procedure to check the claim request for the adequate information. Here, information. You should understand the information in the insurance. Before deciding or before taking any insurance, first you need to analyze, you need to get all the information, you need to read all the information carefully, then only make a decision. So information you need to analyze, the claim procedure. So you need to analyze or you need to study the claim procedure, then validation, justification and authenticity. So here under unit 5, last unit, we are going to study the claims process. At the end of this process, the insurance company may reimburse the money to the healthcare provider in whole or in part. They may provide in whole or in part. So you need to go through the information. So under Unit 5, we are going to study in detail about the claims process, procedures and the information. So before taking any insurance, we need to collect the information. You need to analyze the information twice or thrice before taking any insurance. Moving further, let us discuss with the internal portions. So internal marks is for 20 marks. In order to score 20 marks, you need to attend internals 1, 2 and 3. So you need to attend all the 3 internals. Final marks will be awarded on average of 3 internals. Here, not consider best out of 3. We will consider average of 3. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3. So internal 1, 2 and 3 divided by 3. We'll take the average. So you need to attend all the 3 internals in order to score this 20 marks. So the portion for internals is for first internals Unit 1 and Unit 2. And for the second internals Unit 3 and Unit 4. And for the third internal Unit 5. So in order to score 20 marks, you need to attend all the 3 internals. So this is all about the internals and internals portions. Moving further, question paper pattern. So the final question paper pattern, this is for 80 marks. So the paper is 80 marks and for 3 hours. So the question paper pattern is part A, 5 marks into 4 questions for 20 marks. And part B is 15 marks 2 questions, that is for 30 marks. And part C is 10 marks 3 questions, 10 into 3, that is 30 marks. Total 80 marks. So in order to score 80 marks, you need to attend 4 plus 2 plus 3. Total 9 questions. You have to attend 9 questions in order to score 80 marks. So this PPGI, Principle and Practice of General Insurance, is an important and as well as interesting subject for your future. It's an important and interesting subject for the future. You need to study this paper. You need to understand this subject for the better future. So moving further, book for reference. Principle and Practice of General Insurance by Vedamurthy. And Principle and Practice of General Insurance by B.S. Raman. I refer these 2 books for the reference. So, you need to purchase the books as early as possible for your reference. So, these are the 2 books for the reference. Next, chapter-wise marks allotment. So, you can see from the Unit 1, we can expect 35 marks. From the Unit 2, we can expect 30 marks. From Unit 3, 15 marks. Unit 4, 30 marks. And Unit 5, 35 marks. So, here Unit 1 and Unit 5, Unit 1 and Unit 5 is an important unit. So, you need to pay attention for Unit 1 and Unit 5. Also, understand this, give importance for this 3 units also. Unit 2, 3, 4 because it has 30, 15 and 30 marks. So, Unit 1, 2, 4 and 5. But you should not neglect Unit 3. So, the weightage may be differ based on the question. So, we can assume marks allotment for each and every unit. So, give attention for Unit 1 and 5 and also for Unit 2 and 4. So, but don't neglect Unit 3. So, these all are the chapter-wise marks allotment. Unit 1, it includes all the basics. So, what is general insurance and types of general insurance, evolution of general insurance, then fundamentals, that is principles of general insurance. It includes all these factors or all these points. Under Unit 2, it all about fire insurance. All this, it includes fire. And Unit 3 is for non-life insurance. And here, this is underwriting and settlement. So, it's an important unit to understand. It's a quite interesting topic. Then claims, you need to know the claims procedure for the understanding of subject, that is insurance. So this is all about chapter wise marks allotment. Next, learning outcomes. By studying this subject, principle and practice of general insurance, you should be able to understand the role and importance of general insurance. You should be able to understand the roles and importance of general insurance. Why an insurance plays an important role in the human beings, or why it is necessary for the people. So why we need to insure our life as well as the properties and other things. So what all are the benefits from the general insurance? So it explains the importance and role of general insurance. Understand the functions of general insurance. It explains the functions of general insurance. Then analyze and understand the various functions involved in general insurance. It helps you to analyze and understand the various functions involved in general insurance. So these all are the learning outcome from the subject. Altogether, total you have 5 units in order to understand this principle and practice of general insurance. So it's a quite interesting subject to understand, analyze. So you need to pay attention for this subject. In the further classes, let us discuss in detail about this general insurance. So let us start with the unit 1 in the coming up session. What is general insurance? What are the advantages and the evolution of general insurance and functions of general insurance and types of general insurance? So let us discuss in the coming up session. Let us meet in the next session with the unit 1. Until then, keep watching. Thank you.